Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Okay, now let's get started. In today's video, I want to be showing you how I style this beautiful stunning hair from Beauty Forever. So they have sent me this beautiful straight wig. It is a 24-inch with a 150 density. It is a fake scalp wig, which I really like because that right there basically just mimics a fake scalp. I love the fact that you don't have to bleach or add any concealer or any powder to it. So we are going to be installing this. I'm going to be wearing this wig just to see how it fits and make sure that it's sitting okay, because I have adjusted the elastic band at the back of the wig cap. Okay, so make sure you guys also do this. Now everybody knows that my go-to hair is basically a silky straight black hair. Look at that closure, you guys. Just look at that. Now you all know that I love and prefer to just wear a plain simple straight black hair. It is my go-to hair, and the fact that this is a closure, it made me fall in love with it so much. First thing is first, I'm going to be leaving out just one baby hair because I really like doing that to all my wigs. I like to take out a baby hair in the front of it. Then I'm going to use my wax stick to just basically keep the parting flat. I don't like anything that's super bulky, so I always like to keep my partings flat. This is the step that I normally take for all the other wigs, okay? So I'm going to use the hot comb and just press on it and just make sure that the parting is flat, like I said. Watching this video, you can see the scalp. You can see how amazing and clear that parting is. Like I said, I did not add any foundation or any powder to it. It's the fake scalp, basically that material that's underneath the closure just makes it looks very natural. So I'm gonna just take a big section from the back of the hair. Then I'm gonna detangle it with a brush first or a comb. Then I'm going to go ahead in with my flat iron and just make sure that I get the hair silky bone straight. As I'm straightening and flat ironing this hair, I am just like, wow, you guys, like I absolutely love this hair. I've been wearing this hair like to basically everywhere. I wore it to travel to Sweden. I wore it to basically town. I wear this all the time. I feel like it's so easy for me. I just basically pop it on. It doesn't need any extra styling. It doesn't even need like a lot of pressure or hard work. This is a beginner friendly wig. If you know that you're not really good with your hair, or you're lazy, or you just basically not really good at hair at all and you can't deal with frontals, I think this is the best hair for you guys to actually invest in. I really think you guys should check out Beauty Forever store and see what they have in store for you. You can go for any length of your choice. So I'm going to do a parting right there by the closure, and I'm going to flat iron it, and this way it could just help the hair just feel a bit more silky as well. This hair basically doesn't even need a lot of styling, and look at this. When you flat iron that side, it just looks so much better than when you don't flat iron it. This hair doesn't need a lot of styling. That's why this video was so simple, you guys. Absolutely love it, and I hope that by watching this you can be convinced that I am right, that this hair is very easy to style and is such a beginner friendly wig. So I'm just going to clip the two sides, and then I'm going to go ahead to cut the lace. And to cut the lace, you don't need to be perfect to do this. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim that baby hair. Then I'm going to sweep the baby hair on my forehead, and that's basically all I do to it. So for more extra like sleekiness, I'm just pressing on with the hot comb just to make sure that I am getting the hair like bone straight, because I really prefer my hairs to be bone straight. So here I just try to see how it would look if I put it in a ponytail, and it's just looking fine as well. So sometimes you can have it in a ponytail if you have errands and you don't want the hair up in your face. Okay. So this is basically everything I do to it, guys. It was such a simple and easy styling. Absolutely beginner friendly, and if you're that lazy girl, this is the hair for you. So thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair. I absolutely adore this hair. Make sure you guys check their links down below and visit their website and also their AliExpress page. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye now.